Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing a niche where viewers already buy. That focus saves time and raises conversion rates. Next, pick 1 to 3 affiliate offers that track well and pay fair commissions, because relevance beats quantity. Once done, create your YouTube channel with consistent branding and a simple landing page that captures clicks. Make sure to link that landing page in your channel and first video description so viewers move from watching to buying without friction. Now you build content that converts. Plan a batch of 10 videos mixing reviews, tutorials, and comparisons to cover the buyer journey. For each video, script a strong hook in the first 20 seconds, deliver useful value, and include one clear call to action that points to your tracked link. Make thumbnails and titles that promise a result, and optimize tags and descriptions for search terms. Once videos are published, promote them in targeted communities and iterate based on watch time and click performance. Finish by scaling what works. Monitor clicks, conversion rate, and RPM, then reinvest in the top-performing videos and formats. Use a /B tests for thumbnails and CTAs and experiment with video length to raise retention. If results lag, run a focused audit. Check SEO signals, audience retention graphs, and that affiliate tracking is firing correctly, because a broken link or low retention destroys conversions. Finally, maintain a content calendar so you keep feeding the algorithm and growing your affiliate income.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.